from EduTV. I am Pratima Santosh, and today we have with us Madam Ratnamala, who is the principal of DPS Ghatkeshwar. Madam, so this year being so, the pandemic has made people feel confused about a lot of things around them. It appears as though the entire student fraternity is worried or confused about what next. So, in such a situation, the students of class 12, those who are writing their examinations of class 12 in the academic year 2020-21, so for them it's even a bigger challenge because they do not have the regular group studies. They do not have, their coaching classes are not very much the way they were earlier, and they're not certain about whether they're going to have the medical entrance examinations or the other kind of examinations which are from the Bangalore Indian universities and abroad. So what is your suggestion to such students? Like, what do you want to tell them? Like, what message do you want to give them? You being an expert in the field of education, how do you want to guide them, madam?
Thanks, Pratima, for this. This is a very interesting question. And the usual suggestions before COVID, they were what? They were like, students have to be well prepared, they have to answer to all the questions, and there's a whole gamut of general questions which are there, and they need to be answering to all that. But now it's all online. And with this online, we have a new trend, that is physical classes, online classes. And this physical classes, if you are in the physical classes, the trend is a different. Now with this online classes, the trend is even more different. So of course they would be preparing well for the examinations, but it should be more on this application and the skill-based questions. The application-based questions are the ones which will take them to the future. Okay, and the entrance examinations, all these which they have, they're more on the application and the skill-based examinations, skill-based questions. So that will take them to the future. And if they concentrate on these, I think it will have a good impetus on their preparations.
Madam, what do you want to guide them about, like their career, what kind of courses they have to take up? Like, how do you suggest them about, which would be a better course for them now?
This is again with the aptitude which is there. If the aptitude is more for the engineering, then it will be engineering or for the other fields. But of course, their skill set would be more tested on the remote learning and how well they are good at the digital field. The digital field will be now taking a prima facie on every course or every examination which they'll be having. Okay, so as I've already envisaged that it is like, the students need to concentrate more on this application and the skill-based questions. And since most of the time it is in the online field which the students are mostly involved in, so let's go a little bit on the physical world. The physical world which throws the challenges of reading books for reading for pleasure, and read your physical newspaper. All these years, it was the students were more interested in being on the tab and getting the news in 2 seconds, that okay, I've got the news and all. But now try opening, feel the newspaper, read the newspaper, read magazines. I mean, all these are physical ones. And also keep writing notes, not again on the digital one. Write it a physical note so that your hand, there's a good speed of your hand. And yes, with online classes, probably from morning 10 to 1 or whatever the school has it, then physical activity should not be forgotten, and we need to be self-dependent, or we need to be independent on what we are doing. There were things where we used to ask for a domestic help. Now I think we have to learn how to do it on our own. And once you do it, once you are into the fore, then things become very easy. You'll not find it as something as a difficult one, and something which is earmarked only for such kind of people. It's all we can do it. So this COVID times has brought to the fore that, back to the basics. each one we need to have all the multiple skills, and we need to be self-reliant on that.
Thank you, ma'am. That was really nice talking to you. And yes, as you told, students of these days, like, because there's so much online, the writing habit would have really come down. So it is very essential for the students to practice how to write their exams, maybe, because earlier it was like we used to write for hours, and now it is essential to practice to write their examination for 3 hours. Thank you
It's
very much.
just,
Yes, ma'am.
it's like that same age-old phenomenon, which is that 10 times reading is equal to 1 time writing. Once you write, then things will come into the proper form.